So now we're going to quickly look into trigonometric ratio. So by now you already know what the hypotenuse is, you know what the adjacent is, and also the opposite. So how do we go about with a trigonometric ratio? So our trigonometric ratio is the Sohcahtoa rule. I don't know if you all remember your Sohcahtoa. So Sohcahtoa basically Sohcahtoa. So basically what Sohcahtoa is telling us is that sine of an angle is equal to the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. And then the cosine of an angle is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and the tangent of an angle equals to the opposite divided by the adjacent. So that's what that is telling us. So I'm going to go back to our problem, which the email I received this morning. So from this now, we want to look for the angle here, and also we want to find out we want to know the width of the roof. So all we need now is the Pythagoras theorem to work out that length, and also the Sohcahtoa to work out the angle. Great. So basically, what we have to do is state the Pythagoras theorem first. If you state the Pythagoras theorem, then you can't go wrong. So all you have to do now is to substitute into this Pythagoras, substitute the values into the formula, and then you can evaluate the equation. So at this stage now, what is 5 squared? And 25, yes. 25 minus, what is 3 squared? 9 equals x. So 25 minus 9 is actually 16. So what is the square root of 16? And 4. So our x value is actually 4 centimeter. So our x value here equals 4. Now, this is an isosceles triangle, which means two sides are equal. So what is going to be my y value? The two sides are equal. What is going to be my y value? And
4. Altogether 8.
Exactly. Good. Thank you, Pam. So my y value will be x. Is everybody clear on that? Good. And quickly, we need to work out this angle as well. So we're going to use the Sohcahtoa rule. So the Sohcahtoa, if I use this so, it actually tells me that the opposite of the angle, the sine of the angle equals to the opposite of the angle divided by the hypotenuse. So the sine theta equals to the opposite. What is the opposite, Greg? The opposite to this angle?
3 meters.
3 meters. 3 divided by the, what is my hypotenuse? Let me just say the same thing with that one. And
5 meters.
5 meters. 5. Thank you. So now, so sine theta, if I say 3 divided by 5, that will be 0.36. Okay? And then my theta now, what I'm going to do now is to move this sign across equally to sign, and when you do that, then you have negative sign to your sign. Okay, when you move it across the equality sign, you have that to your sign, and it's 0.6. So using your calculator, if you find a sign of 0.6, the answer will be 36.8 degrees.